I just washed my face. We got Matt over here doing the dishes because it's Matt. You guys
right, bitch.
got unattached page, being unattached page, and JR being mad at Matt for no reason.
What's up, vlog? Today we're cleaning dishes because
You fucking suck.
JR's a bum.
No, because you haven't done anything all day.
Fuck you, Donnie. Donnie, you my baby. You a baby. Donnie's a baby. Donnie a baby. You a baby. I guess I can survive. Not using the restroom right now. It does not feel good.
Well, like, actually, think about, like, how high, like, those mountains are.
I just don't like it, bro.
Oh, wait, like, look, like, past, like, some still mountains are, like, all snap big moment. Don't put your hand on me. Snap, Matt. That freaks me out. Snap, Matt.
Gotta pick at you.
Well, let's go down further.
I was thinking about that, but I didn't. Like a rock.
Oh my god.
Matt, look at me. Oh, look at.
Bro, let's go to the ranger station.
So cheese.
Make me act up.
Oh, yeah, so that's you guys. Because you gotta get taken with the bigger. Oh, look.
After that,
Talks about, like,
bro, holy tweaker. What the tweak?
Yo, say hi to the vlog.
Holy vlog.
And then this Acura, what is it?
Acura NSX.
Dang. Yeah, smell on your camera. Oh, dang.
Oh,
something from North Carolina. Alright, get the license plate, steal the car.
Fuck.
I missed it.
Well, we were there last night. We're in the Smoky Mountains. Running downhill. Not even there. You a baby. You a bit. Not even there. What the fuck? Oh, there they are. Hi. You a baby.
Hit the bridge. Oh, wow. Stupid ass. No way.
Go crazy.
No way.
Oh, that guy's not. Oh, he's gonna fall off.
Oh, he's a baby. Oh, yo. No way. Yo. Yeah. Let's go.
Oh shit! I got that.
Hey, JR. It's just a video. What? It's a pig, yeah. It's a video, yeah. You're good.
You grabbing it?
Oh, don't
Oh, he likes it. He likes it.
Put on both hands, yes.
He doesn't actually care.
Hey, one more try.
There you go.
Money, 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 money.
Like a spaghetti noodle.
Bear Grylls.
Snare pose. Fire. Oh,
He's coming towards me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey guys, we back with the shit. Oh no, I flooded with the vlog. Matt is in last place because he's a baby. Holy bitch. Holy L.
He's struggling out there.
Oh shit. Nah, bro. That's fucked up, man. That's a good idea. Alright, ready? Alright, here, you can take over the vlog. Alright, hey guys. Back with the vlog, see. Matt's over there, back there, in last place. Oh, what a bomb. Oh.
Should another new, just do another panel.
I wonder like if it's like a really cloudy day and they just feels
It's the first of the month. I brush my teeth and count up.
You're like putting it out, bro. Bro. You're like literally, stop.
Alright, bug spray time.
No, like what we can look
bad. We got hair spray?
like that is why I don't want it.
Okay, wait. Do you have like?
I got bug spray.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at that shit, bro. Oh
Yes,
my
sir.
lord. Is it already?
Yes, sir.
I'm not ready, but like.
Yes, make sure it's like
Look at that. Damn, that actually do be looking good.
it's so fire.
Do we definitely just like put the burger on and then the cheese will melt like on it?
No, like totally. These burgers are
Yeah,
definitely.
get the cheese ready. Get the cheese ready.
Wait, do you
Throw it out. Throw it out. Put it on. Now.
On the burger right now, right?
Yeah,
Straight.
let's go.
Stuck to the.
Exactly. So just like sort of like this.
That's fine.
So just put like this. Because you put like this, and the burger will like really
again.
Luca, where did you keep all the...
Actually, yeah. Honestly, throw them on. It might help them like keep the burgers sticking together.
Yeah, throw it on.
Actually?
Throw it on.
Okay.
Epic meal time.
Oh, you Dom. Oh, beautiful, Dom. Thank you, my boy.
This one's so much better than
Alright, me and Dom here.
Burger moment.
Jared's
Wait, I'll present like a chef.
sexiest burger.
So what we got here is a roughly chopped burger, a very loose form burger.
Yes,
On top of it,
on
a
purpose.
brioche bun, cheese mixed inside the burger and underneath with a layer of tomato marmalade.
It's exquisite dining.
So,
The fire.
did you get a good shot from it? Did you get, look, wait, can you flip the camera? Get a good view of this?
This nice, juicy burger.
Yeah, actually like fire.
Cooked perfectly to medium rare.
Take a bite. Let's see, how's it? How's it?
1 bite pizza review.
Oh, big bite. Is it actually heat? Like, is it fire?
10.
Actually.
S'mores.
Hey, that's so funny, bro. How did they get it into the river?
Yes, sir.
No way. It's definitely a great idea. It's to like bug spray. Yeah. No, it actually. Okay. There's two. They're easy to kill if we have like 10 strikers. So we're just let
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, it's back. It's back.
Money, 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 money.